What's up, everyone? Joe back with Joe's Barbecue, and I have with me
Hello.
Little Gorilla. As you can tell by our festive garb, we are gonna do a Christmas cook. You know what we're cooking?
I forgot.
We're cooking a ham.
Ham.
You know where a ham comes from? What animal?
Pig.
A pig, you're right.
Yeah.
Where on the pig does the ham come from?
What?
You know where on the pig a ham comes from?
No.
It comes from right here. Can you see it? The little graphic with the
ceiling?
No, right. It should be right about here. You're right here.
No, I don't.
You don't see it?
No.
Okay, well, it comes from right here on the pig.
Air.
And the pork butt, which we usually smoke and shred, comes from about right here on the pig. You don't see that?
No.
It should be in the air right
No,
here.
I don't.
We'll mess with it later. But what we're gonna do with this pig, what we're gonna do with this ham is not just like smoke it and slice it into sandwiches. We're gonna smoke it up and we're gonna get it so done you can shred it with your hands. Just pull it apart, just like pulled pork. You're gonna get pulled ham.
Yeah.
And then once we're done smoking it and pulling it, we got some King's Hawaiian sweet rolls. We're gonna slice those bad boys up and make some sliders, some pulled ham sliders. Got some good stuff to go on those. But first, we gotta start with the ham.
Yay.
I tried to buy us the smallest ham I could because this process takes a while to cook. You have to get it up to the shredding temp. You want this up to 205, 210-ish for it to be shredded. So I got us a 9.5 pound ham. That's a big ham. So we're gonna get all that juices, all that water in it. I'm gonna slice this guy open. Tango's over here asking if he can have some slices. I'm not gonna pull all the way open, we don't want those juices out of there first. So this says this is a bone-in ham, which that's what we wanted, and it's fully cooked. So hams, a lot of hams come fully cooked, they're just ready to eat. But we're gonna take it out, smoke it up. Boom.
So we could just take a chomp out of it and it'll be fine?
Yeah, you can just take a chomp out of it and it'll be fine. Just out of there. Add that guy down. Now we aren't just gonna throw it right on the smoker.
Yeah, no, yeet it on there.
We're gonna yeet it on there.
Yeah.
Yeet.
Yeet it.
All right, we're gonna take this knife and we're gonna go across it and get some grooves in there for the seasoning to go into. There's the bone. Just take it up. So now we're gonna put my favorite pork seasoning on. Some SNS barbecue competition pork blend. Just start shaking it. I'm gonna start shaking it over that pork. We got another bottle of this, so you wanna go, yeah. This seasoning's fantastic. Don't forget the bottle. There you go. Now that ham's seasoned, we gotta throw it on the smoker. I have the smoker up to 250 degrees. Using our inkbirds again. Put it on. Amp out. Already connected. We're gonna probe one. We're gonna stick it right in the middle. So now that we're in here, pork shoulder, that's close enough. We're taking it up to the kind of same temperature as the pork shoulder. So we're gonna hit custom because we're actually gonna pull this off and wrap it around 160 degrees. We'll set it there and hit start cooking. So when that gets up to 160, we're gonna pull it off, we'll put it in a pan, we'll put some apple juice in there. Would you like some apple juice?
Yes.
Yeah, you're gonna have a holiday cup. We'll pull it out, we'll put it in a pan with some apple juice, we'll wrap it in aluminum foil, let that thing steam. And then when it's up to about 205, we'll be able to pull it apart, shred it, we'll add some barbecue sauce, put it on the King's Hawaiian rolls and make some sliders.
Yay.
Let's get it in the smoker. Alright, little bro, we got the smoker. It's coming up to about 250. I just cleaned it out. Let's open it up and get this ham in there. Open the big old ham going in. Close it down. We're gonna work on the smoker while it cooks. Okay, it has been, what, like 3-4 hours? Something like that. But that ham is up to 160 degrees throughout, so we're gonna bring it inside. We're gonna pour some apple juice in there and wrap it up with foil. let's go get that ham out of the smoker grill. Okay, we went out and got it. Look at it. It's looking good. Oh, smell it. It smells fantastic. So, like I said, we're gonna put some apple juice in there. One of those.
I'm doing apple juice.
Just like that. And then we're gonna get some foil. Keeping that probe right in there. Keep getting those temperature readings. Like I said, when it gets up to 205-ish, I'll go out and poke it with my thermo pen, and it should be just like a pork butt, right in, no issue. Hopefully the audio from the first part of the video was okay. Somebody forgot to put the mic back on the camera. I think it was her.
Don't look at me.
And the audio might be a little quiet, but we got it fixed now. Back on the smoker. All right, now it'll probably be another 2-3 hours, and that ham will be ready. You know what I'm gonna do while that ham's cooking? I'm starting a fire in our offset smoker I've been building for the past year. The very first fire. So if you haven't seen the offset smoker build series, click this link up in the top, and that will take you to the whole series, but the newest video should be out shortly, and we will be starting a fire and getting the thing seasoned up.
Yay!
All right, that ham is up to like 205 across the whole thing. Some areas are a little bit lower. We're gonna bring it in, prod it, so you can see how easy this thermometer goes in, and that's what you're looking for.
A ham and ham.
This thing is smoking. Don't open it up in your face, because that will hit you.
Ooh.
So this is what you're looking for. See how easy that thermometer goes in. That's the only area that's a little bit tender. That one's up to 206. It's just like pulled pork. We don't want all this juice. So I'm gonna pour some to this container. Little mess, that's fine. The bone, right there. So use one of those claws, see if you can't tear some of it off. It's hot too. Because chunks are coming off. But if you use these claws, because it's so hot right now, you don't want to put your hand in there. But it's just gonna shred. Move this bone out of here. Doesn't shred as easy as the pulled pork. Probably could have kept it on there a little bit longer, but it's shredding apart, so I'm fine with it. Just like that. Woo. Hot tamale.
Hot blood.
What I like to do, oh, it's really hot, I want to grab it. We're gonna add some seasoning on it. We're gonna let it cool off a little bit, and then we'll get to shredding. All right, guys, it has cooled off. We've been oiling the smoker all day. Now we got the ham ready. Remember, go watch that smoker video if you haven't seen it. Whole series, gonna be out completely soon. Here's these for you. I got my cottons on. Red her up. Got a tendon in there. There's some you gotta, some pieces you gotta look out for. When you pull the bone out, you still got a few little hard parts from the bone. You gotta make sure you get those out while you're shredding. So I'll do it with hands when you get close to the bone, just so you know you got those pieces out. You can put gloves on. There's a bone. Make sure that's something you just gotta go through with this hand, because with pulled pork, you got one big bone you gotta pull out. This guy that breaks up hard. You gotta make sure you're getting it all out. I was hoping to shred a little bit better. I did a reel last year for the ham I had that shredded like crazy. This is, it is shredded. Obviously, it's coming apart. It's just taking a little bit more work. But it was all probing around 200, so gotta go with the flow. SNS Pork. Good stuff. A little extra seasoning in there. Mix her on up. All right, we still got the smoker up at about 200 degrees because we're gonna make sliders. We got the King's Hawaiian rolls. We're gonna slice these open. Bam. So we're gonna put some of this. Oh yeah. So we're gonna lay these up with some thick ham.
Cheese.
Then I got Colby pepper jack and some regular, because I don't know if Aubrey would like the Colby pepper jack. This is spicy cheese. Try it. Bam. We're gonna throw this on the smoker without this on there, just so the kit's kind of a little bit crispy. This will melt down onto there, and then we'll put the sauce onto the smoker.
Yeah.
Oh, those. All right, those look amazing. Now, I have some smoky hickory bacon flavored aoli. We are gonna be putting on the sliders. We're gonna take some of this smoky hickory bacon flavored aioli. I'm gonna go like this, then I'm gonna spread it. It's very strong. It may not look like I just put a lot on there, but it is flavorful. All right, now we go like this. Bam. Slice it up. All right, this one has the spicy on it, that side doesn't. All right, you ready to try it? Now let's try mine.
Oh yeah.
Mmm.
Ham.
This goes great on that. Fantastic. That spicy cheese is not even that spicy. The breads are nice and crispy. Or not crispy, they're toasted from being on the smoker. Got that smokiness in the ham from being on that Z-grills all day. It pulled apart. This is just nice and shredded up with that cheese in there and that aioli.
Hey. Cheese.
That's so good. Little. It came out fast
Yes!
for you. Cheers. Boom.
Oh.
If you haven't tried a shredded ham, so good. And Kraft coming in hot with that smoky hickory bacon flavored aioli.
Don't put too much on.
That's ridiculously good though. And of course the King's Hawaiian rolls. Fantastic all the time. Would you consider this cook a win?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So thank you for watching everyone. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let us know what we should cook next. Let me know if you like little gorillas, reindeer, antlers, James the red nose. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye. You gonna have another one?
Yeah.
You gonna try the cheesy, the spicy cheese? Not very spicy.
Squish.
It's good though.
Oh.